A lot of people fail not because of the lack of knowledge, skills, strategies, or even motivation. People fail because of how they are showing up every single day. So in this video, we will talk about the real reason why you keep failing. And I want you to answer the question, how do you show up? So let's talk about the 3 I's, the 3 important principles that you have to have in your life, that you must incorporate in how you show up every day if you want to be successful, if you want to move forward in life, if you want to be a great leader, and more importantly, if you want to expand your career, expand your business. Okay? So let's start with the first I, which is integrity. Now, the best principle I can share with you around integrity is this. Keep your word. Yes. Tumupad ka sa usapan. Now, in everything that I do, I was able to become who I am right now, reach this certain level of success, mentor and coach a lot of hyper-successful entrepreneurs, producing billions of sales, because I know how to keep my word. Marunong akong tumapad sa usapan. So if you think about it, this can be the best strategy. Let me show you why. Number 1, if integrity is part of your branding. If everyone knows that you always keep your word, you will build massive trust. You will build loyalty with your customers. You will build a really deep relationship with the people around you. And even in marketing, if you are building a sales funnel, for example, if you want to produce sales, for example, in your sales funnel, and then later on in the funnel, you will keep your word, your customers will trust you. If you have like a long-form video, and there's a promise that you will share value, that you will do this and that, and you are able to fulfill your promise during the video, people will trust you. They will buy your products. If you are doing webinars and you have a promise in your intro, give them value, share with them proven frameworks, and then you are able to deliver that, or maybe over-deliver in your promise, you will produce sales. So having integrity is the best strategy. And more importantly, the main reason why it's hard for us to actually apply the strategies that's available already. But here's the reality. Regardless of the strategy, it's always hard for us to execute because we don't believe in ourselves. We don't trust ourselves. And how do you expect other people to trust you if you don't trust yourself? So the main reason why we are insecure, the main reason why we don't believe in ourselves, the main reason why we don't trust ourselves, it's because we are not keeping our word. Hindi ka marunong tumupad sa usapan. So basically, keeping your word will not just build trust externally. It will start internally. Kapag marunong kang tumupad sa usapan, especially your word within yourself, your promise to yourself, yung paulit-ulit mo sinasabi na magwo-workout ka na, mag-exercise ka na, mag-i-invest ka na sa sarili mo, mamahalin mo na yung sarili mo. Yung paulit-ulit mo sinasabi na magsisimula ka na mag-create ng content, magsisipag ka na hanggang ngayon hindi mo ginagawa. That's the main reason why mababa ang tingin mo sa sarili mo. Kaya hindi mo tinatrato ng tama ang sarili mo. At kapag nangyari yon, you won't love yourself. You won't feel worthy of love. You won't feel worthy of success. And then, you will sabotage your own success. So, regardless kung anumang strategy, yung available sa market, yung available sa company mo, yung available sa ginagawa mo, hindi mo siya mai-apply ng tama. So, keeping your word is not just external. Keeping your word is internal. This is the inner game of success, my friends. So, kung ano man yung sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na gagawin mo, dapat gawin mo. Because look, if you keep your word, especially yung promise mo sa sarili mo, number 1, you will trust yourself. Number 2, if you can keep your word regardless of how you feel, regardless of your situation, tataas yung tingin mo sa sarili mo. You will build confidence. Because now you have an evidence that you can keep your word regardless of the situation, regardless of how you feel. Alam nyo ba guys, yung confidence na nakikita nyo sa akin, yung energy, yung competence, yung galing, it all came from keeping my word. That regardless of how I feel, regardless of my situation, tutupad ako sa usapan. I remember the time during business deals na ako yung naloko. Sa akin bumagsak lahat ng sisi. I am still showing up. I am keeping my word. Nag-live ako almost every night, serving people, upgrading our gears, upgrading our setup. Because my promise to myself is regardless of how I feel, regardless of how much I'm earning right now, I will show up for my audience. And that's integrity. Regardless of the views, regardless of the comments, regardless of the likes, regardless of the engagements and interactions, regardless of the vanity metrics that they all have in content creation, I don't care. I'm gonna show up. I'm gonna keep my word. At ang promise ko sa sarili ko, I will serve people. So kaya naging confident ako. I don't care about how I look. It's not about looking good for me. It's not even about feeling good. I don't care if I lost my hair or hindi maganda yung skin ko. I don't care. All I care about is I'm gonna keep my word. Tutupad ako sa usapan that when I say I'm gonna help you earn millions, I will help you earn millions. That when I say I'm gonna help you transform your life, I will do that. That's why they call me the visionary leader. Na yung mga sinasabi ko nagkakatotoo. Not because manghuhula ako, not because I have premonition or magic powers. Kaya nangyayari yung mga sinasabi ko kasi hindi ako pumapayag na hindi mangyayari. I will show up. That's my brand. That's who I am. That's part of my identity. At yan yung nagbibigay sa akin ng confidence. And because of that confidence, yung mga tao sa paligid ko, in my presence, they feel secured. Because if you know how to keep your word, if you trust yourself, if you are confident with who you are, and if you are confident that you can deliver, if you are confident that you can manifest whatever the you want, everyone will feel secured around your presence. Kaya dumadating sa point na kapag dumadating ako ng office, yung presence ko pa lang nakakatulong na sa team ko. Yung tipong pumasok lang ako ng office, masaya na sila, high energy na sila, naniniwala silang magkakabenta, naniniwala silang may mangyayaring maganda. That's the power of integrity. That's the power of keeping your word. The second I is initiative. I want you to understand that your success is directly proportional to your leadership. So yung success natin nakadepende sa dami ng stress at tao na kaya nating i-handle. Let me illustrate it for you. So this is what we call your SC or success circle. The red one is your LC, your leadership circle. Okay? So ngayon, your success can only expand hanggang sa kayang abutin ng leadership circle mo. Kaya nga ang daming tao na i-stuck sa level of success nila kasi hindi sila nag-grow as a person. Paulit-ulit kong sinasabi sa inyo, sabi nga ni Jim Rohn, di ba? Income does not far exceed personal development. If this is you, this is your income, pag lumaki yung income mo at hindi ka nag-grow, babagsak din yan. Pag lumaki yung team mo, hindi ka nag-grow, mauubos yung team mo. Pag lumaki yung business mo at hindi ka nag-grow, mauubos din yung business mo. Babagsak yung negosyo mo. At kung yung mga tao within the boundaries of your leadership wants to grow as a person at sobrang liit lang ng leadership circle mo, eh yung mga tao within your circle, mataas ang pangarap, gusto nilang mag-expand, maghahanap yan ng leader na mas malaki ang leadership circle sa'yo. So eventually, sila na nasa loob ng circle mo, lalabas at lalabas yan, mag-i-expand yan, lilipat yan sa mas malaki ang leadership circle para sila ay maging leader din. Para sila makapag-expand din, para sila maging successful din. Because understand that leadership is influence. Leadership is not a noun, it is a verb. It is an action word. Leadership is initiative. So if you want to be successful, you have to stop waiting. Dapat tigilan mo yung paghihintay. Now, a lot of people are in a toxic community. Na yung leaders na namamahala sa kanila, mataas ang ego, insecure. At ang mahirap dito, if you wanna be successful, hindi ka pwedeng maghintay na magbago yung leader na namamahala sa'yo. Hindi ka pwedeng maghintay na kusang magbabago yung leader mo, yung mentor mo, and all that. Kasi again, limitado lang sila sa kaya nilang gawin, limitado lang sila sa personality at character nila, limitado lang sila sa self-image na meron sila. And eventually, kung yung namumuno sa yung leader may pagka-insecure, naninira ng iba, nang dadaw ng ibang tao, at ang gusto lang lagi nila is kunin yung credit ng trabaho mo, paano kayo magiging successful? So kung ikaw gusto mong maging successful, you have to take the initiative. Here's the principle. Take massive action. Dapat matuto kang mag-initiate. Matuto kang mag-initiate ng communication, ng conversation. Matuto kang mag-initiate ng discipline, ng pagtitake ng action, ng pagiging productive. Huwag mong hintayin na sabihin sa'yo ng mentor mo na magbasa ka ng libro. Ang daming videos available ngayon, ang daming courses available ngayon. Ang daming magagaling na mentors, kailangan mo lang silang lapitan. Kailangan mong magtanong. You have to, again, show up. It's not about waiting for other people, it's about showing up for you. Because again, you wanna be successful. So a lot of people are trapped in a culture na ang mga tao naghihintayan. In a culture full of ego. Kasi tandaan mo, kung ang namumuno sa yung leader, mataas ang ego, and they want all the appreciation for themselves. They want all the love for themselves. They want to take all the credit. Just imagine that you are under a leadership na kumikita na nga sila, gusto pa nila lahat ng appreciation at lahat ng credit. That is why you will feel burnt out. You will feel stuck. Remember that a real leader with a huge leadership circle doesn't need your appreciation. Well, in fact, even if they are the ones taking massive action, they are so competent na hindi nila isusumbat sa'yo yung actions nila. Kasi they know the dynamics of the leadership. They know the dynamics of the relationship. They know that they have to show up for the team. They don't even need your appreciation. Pero ikaw yung kusang magbibigay kasi we all love amazing leaders, right? But the thing is, you have to take the initiative that number one, if you are the leader, you know that you have an organization that you are trying to manage. You have to expand yourself. You have to build yourself. You have to take the initiative. Not coming from ego, not coming from trying to look good or take the credit of your team. It's all coming from love and appreciation that you just want to help, that you want to create results. At makukuha natin ang resulta if everyone wants to expand. If everyone's trying to grow. Kaya nga ang sarap kasama ng mga tao na gusto rin mag-grow with you. Na alam nila kung ano yung mali sa kanila, alam nila kung ano yung problema nila. They have the initiative to accept their mistakes. They have the initiative to communicate na, guys, nagkamali ako, pero I'm here, willing to grow. Pag-usapan natin ang blind spots ng isa't isa para lahat tayo mag-grow. So can you imagine having an organization that everyone is aligned to grow? Sir MJ, yung organization na meron kami ngayon, dyan ang gagaling yung main source of income namin. Dyan napapasok ang pagsali sa mga communities like Success Blueprint, Ultimate Mastery. We're gonna put the links in the description and in the comment section. And I'm here to tell you that I have the best community. We are not yet the largest, but we have the best community right now. Because I will show up for you. Now for the third I, it's impact. Now, dalawang klase yung pwede mong maging impact sa tao. If you have a lot of ego, syempre ang ego, alam naman natin na nanggagaling yan sa fear, no? Natatakot kang ma-reject, magkamali, natatakot kang ma-judge, kaya nilalagyan mo ng maskara yung sarili mo, na magaling ka, malupit ka, and all that. And if you are insecure, that all you know is to flex money or sports cars or whatever result that you have, what will expand is a self-centered impact. Okay? Meaning, magiging puro ako. Ako ang pito, at ang pito ay ako. Right? You will be self-centered and it's not good for you. So if you really want to create massive impact to the marketplace, massive impact to your team, massive impact in your industry, You have to convert and change from being self-centered to service. That if you are focused on serving people, this is actually the best way for you to sell. This is the best way for you to create impact. This is the best way for you to create lasting change. Yung tipo sa sobrang tindi ng impact mo sa mga tao, kahit hindi mo sabihin, ipopost ka nila, ipagmamalaki ka nila, na mentor ka nila. Yung tipo sa sobrang tindi ng impact at service na binigay mo, sila na ang kusang magbebenta ng produkto mo. Sila na yung kusang bibili, magre-refer pa sila. Because Doc, if you are always coming from ego, fear, insecurity, poor self-image, ang magiging idea mo, instead na mag-create talaga ng totoong resulta, instead na makapag-focus ka sa transformation ng mga tao sa paligid mo, instead of focusing on creating value, breakthroughs, transformation, ang focus mo is paano ka kukuha ng credit. Paano ka magmumukhang pogi? Paano ka magmumukhang magaling? And it will be so toxic because imagine, the people around you feels that they are required to appreciate you. Isipin mo yung mga tao sa paligid mo parang requirement na lang mahalin ka. Requirement na lang i-appreciate ka. Because you are so insecure as a leader. So paano pag nag-struggle yung mga tao? Hindi ikaw ang pupuntahan. Hindi sa'yo lalapit. Kasi alam nila na hindi ka nila kayang sandalan. Kasi nga sarili mo hindi mo masandalan eh. Versus if you are secured with who you are. Because again, the first I is integrity. You have integrity. You know that you can keep your word. Tumutupad ka sa usapan, hindi lang sa usapan sa mga tao sa labas. Yung mga promises mo sa sarili mo, tinutupad mo. That when you say you're gonna work out, you will work out. That when you say you're gonna have a better nutrition this year, you will do that. That when you say nagagalingan mo, ito todo mo, mag-create ka ng content, whatever the you say, you do. Ginagawa mo, ina-apply mo, ina-execute mo. And then hindi ka naghihintay. Hindi ka naghihintay ng good feelings or hindi ka naghihintay na nasa good mood ka. You are not waiting for motivation. You are always taking massive action. You have the initiative. So imagine, keeping your word plus initiative, that's a lethal combination. Building through that, alam mo sa sarili mo yung kaya mong gawin, kaya mong ma-accomplish. Now you are becoming more and more confident. Nabibuild yung self-image mo. Nabibuild mo yung sarili mo. So, mas mamahalin mo ngayon yung sarili mo. At kapag mahal mo yung sarili mo, when you love yourself, hindi ka na naghihintay ng appreciation from other people. You know how to appreciate yourself. You are not coming from ego anymore. You are not coming from fear. You are not coming from insecurity. You are not self-centered. You are now purpose-driven. And your purpose is to serve. So yung mga tamang tao, maa-attract mo na. Kasi ayaw ng taong binebentahan sila. The people around us wants to feel secured that they will achieve their goals and dreams. They want a safe space where they can be open. They can be true to who they are. And more importantly, they can expand themselves. They can build their character. They can rebuild their self-image. Na ang focus ay pagseserbisyo sa mga tao. So imagine if you can develop the 3 I's, having the integrity, initiative, and impact, that you can create lasting change. Lasting change means na totoong magbabago yung mga tao sa paligid mo. Na magbabago sila for the better. In your presence, because of you. If you can create lasting change to the lives of people, tandaan mo to, hindi ka nila makakalimutan. And I want you to imagine, for 1 whole year, you're gonna have the integrity na yung mga bagay na dapat mong gawin, kaya mong gawin, pwede mong gawin, simula ngayon gagawin mo na. Yung mga bagay na naiisip mo, bago ka maging emosyonal, bago mo na naman dibdibin, bago ka na naman matakot, magduda, magtitake ka ng action. You will have the initiative to move forward, to take massive action every single day. Imagine, see yourself, you showing up for you, showing up for the people around you, showing up for the people who give you their trust, showing up for your clients, for your loved ones. So imagine mo, araw-araw tumutupad ka sa usapan as if your word is worth millions of money. Acting as if na every time natutupad ka sa usapan, malaki yung kikitain mo kahit wala pa sa ngayon. Because if you wanna manifest millions, you have to act as if your words are worth millions. Na every time natutupad ka sa usapan, pera yon. Kailangan ikaw mismo pahalagahan mo yung word mo, yung usapan, para totoong tumaas ang value mo sa marketplace. Because I'm here to tell you, you matter. Your voice matters. Your words have value. If and only if you will keep your word. And just imagine for 1 whole year, you will take the initiative. Na instead na maghintay ka ng I love you sa jowa mo, ikaw yung mauuna. Walang hintayan. Imagine the relationships you will have. Especially if you are in a leadership position. Instead na ikaw yung maghintay, ikaw yung mauunang mangamusta. Ikaw yung mauunang magplano. Ikaw yung mauunang mag-take ng action. Ikaw yung mag-take ng lead. Kasi nga, you have initiative. You are not waiting anymore. You just wanna take massive action. And imagine, yung integrity at initiative, sasamahan mo pa ng impact that your goal is to serve people. Yung totoong makapag-create ka ng value. Yung totoong makatulong ka sa mga tao. Imagine the amount of change you will have. Imagine the breakthroughs, the transformation. Imagine the results you can create. Alam nyo ba, this is something that I had been doing for so long. And this is a proven framework that you can incorporate and integrate in your life and systems. Imagine showing up every day for 1 whole year with integrity, initiative, and impact. I'm pretty sure that you will create the results that you want. So again, the bigger question here is, how do you show up? So yun lang guys, this is the end of the video, and always remember that everything good starts with a yes. And yes, my name is MJ Lopez, and see you soon.